What's up guys, this is Shan Haider and today we are going to have a detailed review of Glorious Model O gaming mouse that is world's lightest RGB gaming mouse. So we are going to talk about its design, features, performance while performing a quick unboxing as well. But before we start, if you have not subscribed to this channel till now, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon as well. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the retail box of Glorious Model O, you will find the Model O gaming mouse, a welcome card with some instruction, a Glorious logo sticker and some silicone gel. Now talking about the design, as I already said, this is the world's most lightweight RGB gaming mouse and it weighs just 67 grams. There is also a smaller version of Glorious Model O that weighs even less than this regular model. And for this lightweight construction of Glorious Model O, you can give the credit to the honeycomb design of it. The honeycomb design is unique, looks beautiful, provides a very nice grip under the palm and also provides the ventilation to keep your palm cool and fresh for longer sessions of gaming. But it also allows the dust to go in, but you can easily clean the Glorious Model O with any air canister. On both left and right side, the RGB lighting is provided. On the left side, we got two keys along with the Glorious logo, and at the top we got the left key, right key, middle key and the small key to change the DPI settings. At the bottom as well, you will find the honeycomb design along with the Glorious logo, the optical sensor and the LED indicator for the DPI profile. The dedicated DPI indicator provided can be set to any value or color using the Glorious Model O software to let you know that at what DPI setting you are using your gaming mouse. But the drawback here is that the DPI indicator is provided at the bottom and every time you want to check, you will have to lift the mouse and look at its bottom to know the DPI profile currently assigned to the mouse. The Glorious Model O is suitable for medium and large size hands, and if you got smaller hands then you can go with the Glorious Model O minus. We got the notched wheel on the middle button along with the RGB lighting. It is very smooth, precise and it also works as a button. The only drawback is there is no horizontal tilt provided for the middle button. The design is generic in terms of hand orientation, so both left or right-handed person can use this Glorious Model O gaming mouse. The only thing is that the side keys are provided only on the left side, and it would be nice if the side keys were a bit bigger. The ascended cord provided is very lightweight, it's very flexible, it's 2 meters long and it makes you feel like you are using a wireless gaming mouse instead of a wired one because of its flexibility and how lightweight it is. At the bottom we got the G-Skates Virgin PTFE that provides a very smooth cladding experience. While using the Glorious Model O, its thickness is just 0.81 mm. That also contributes in the longer lifespan of them. We also got the Pixar optical sensor, 1000 Hz polling rate, less than 0.7 mm lift-off distance, and the maximum DPI we got on Glorious Model O is 12,000. We can customize all of these parameters using the Glorious Model O software, about which we will talk in just a bit. Talking about the functionality, Glorious Model O is a driver-free mouse. So this is totally plug and play. It is ready to go right off the box and you can even change the LED effects and DPI directly on the mouse without even using the Glorious Model O software. We got total 6 programmable buttons on Glorious Model O. That is good enough for most of the games, but if you are an MMO player, then you might consider buying a different gaming mouse with more keys. We got the Omron mechanical switches that come with highest durability rating and provides as high as 20 million clicks. So the lifespan of Glorious Model O is pretty long and it can easily survive for years even with heavy usage. The Glorious Model O software provided is very nice and it offers lots of customization options, including the RGB lighting adjustment. You can select different profiles. For RGB lighting, you can even turn off the LED if you want. You can assign the task that you would like to perform to each of the keys. It allows you to select the DPI setting along with the dedicated color indicator. You can change the mouse parameter. You can also change the polling rate from 125 Hz to 1000 Hz, and it also allows you to modify the debounce time. Using the Glorious Model O software, you can create and set up multiple profiles, but they can only be switched through the software itself. But the mouse itself comes with onboard memory, so you can save your setting to the mouse itself and use it on multiple PCs without facing any issue. The only drawback here is that the Glorious Model O software is not compatible with Mac OS, so either you will have to use the default setting or use a Windows PC to make any changes in the parameters and settings or the key combinations to change the lighting effects, brightness, etc. Overall, Glorious Model O is a great RGB gaming mouse, especially if you are looking for a lightweight gaming mouse for yourself. The design is beautiful and unique. It's the world's lightest RGB gaming mouse. The build quality is nice. The RGB lighting looks beautiful. The Glorious Model O software provides lots of customization option, and the maximum DPI and polling rate is also quite impressive and suitable for most of the games. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.